What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. And if you guys are new here, I'm KK and I'm the guru of fun. And today we'll be making a classic grilled cheese sandwich. So let's get right into the video. So what you would need is 2 white pieces of bread. I mean, why would you use any other bread? White is the best. Some cheese of your choice. This is the only one I have right now. And some butter, a stove with a non-stick pan, and a lid. Doesn't have to be this big, but just any pan and lid. And that's all you need. So let's get right into it. So first, take a knife, take some butter, okay, and then just spread it on top of your bread. And some people say you should butter the outside, but I also like to butter the inside also because it gets a nice buttery flavor. And just repeat the same step for both of the breads. And meanwhile, while you are spreading the butter onto your bread, switch on your stove and put it about medium heat, low to medium heat on your non-stick pan, and let that preheat so that when you chuck it on there, it's nice and hot. And now what you want to do is you want to take 1 slice of your butter bread, and just chuck it on. And I would advise you keep it on a low flame. And then rip out your cheese, and then just sprinkle a huge amount on them. And you can never go wrong with too much cheese on your grilled cheese. And this is all fine because it's a non-stick pan, so it won't like burn. Just put all that cheese on there, and then bring over your second bread, and then just place it right on top. And then we're just gonna let this stick for about a minute, and then we're gonna flip it over. Now, after about a minute or so, take a spatula or something, and then flip the grilled cheese onto the other side. And then now just put your lid on so all the heat is trapped in, and then the cheese can melt successfully. So now I think it's time to remove it. And yep, the bun is perfectly cooked. So now let's get this over to our plates. Nice. And you may like to cut it diagonally, you may like to cut it straight, but since it's a grilled cheese, I love cutting it straight. So let's cut it straight. Okay, and ready for that cheese pull? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's good. And it's really hot. Let's do a taste test. Ready? It's really hot. Mmm. Oh my god. That is so good. You guys should definitely try it. You guys should definitely try this yourselves. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like in this video, and probably subscribe to the channel if you want to see way more content. And until the next video, goodbye.